So it's wash day again, and you have tons of product buildup in your curls. Your scalp is itchy, and your hair is dirty, and you're unsure of which shampoo to use. The shampoos you have are not 100% natural, and some of them even contain drying ingredients. Drying ingredients like sodium lauryl sulfate. Well, I have a solution for your shampoo dilemma. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an all-natural shampoo using African black soap. And this is going to make your wash day super easy and fun. So this shampoo is 100% natural, and it's a combination of black soap and flaxseed gel, which adds moisturizing and cleansing properties to the shampoo. It will take your hair from dry and tangled to super moisturized and detangled hair. And look at the amazing results it gave me. So if you're interested in knowing how to make it, watch until the end. So first you want to start out with 100% African black soap and cut a small slice of it up. And then once you cut that small slice, cut it into even smaller pieces. This will just help with the melting process. Then you want to go ahead and prepare a hot water bath and add a glass bowl into that hot water bath. And then once you add that, add in the black soap that you just cut up. Now, black soap is antibacterial and it is also antifungal. Next, you want to add about 1 tablespoon of mango butter into that black soap. Mango butter is really high in fatty acids and it nourishes the hair strands and adds shine to the curls. Now you just want to add about 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is high in antioxidants and it also nourishes the hair strands as well. Now you just want to add about 1 tablespoon of emulsifying wax. This helps combine the liquid and oil ingredients. Set the stove to a medium heat and let all of them melt together. While melting, let's prepare the flaxseed gel. Add about 1/4 cup of flax seeds to a pot, then add about 2 cups of water into that flaxseed gel. Now you want to add about 1 tablespoon of dried rose petals in there. This just helps balance the hair's pH and it also adds lots of shine to the curls. Now you just want to stir it and set your flaxseed gel mixture to a medium heat. Let it come to a boil and stir. And once a white foam begins to form at the top, that means that your gel is done and it's ready to get strained into a separate bowl. So now, as you can see, it is turning a bit more jelly-like as the foam is forming. Go ahead and use a strainer and transfer it into a separate bowl. Lift up the strainer and shake it to get any of the excess gel out of it. Add about half of the flaxseed gel you just made into a measuring glass. Before adding it to the black soap, make sure to whisk it so that all of the black soap is thoroughly melted. Then go ahead and add your flaxseed gel in. Now you just want to go ahead and whisk it until it's all thoroughly combined with the black soap and the melted butters. And here you can see it becoming an even more fluffy consistency. I'm going to whisk it for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now that it's all done being whisked, you want to go ahead and leave it in the fridge for about 1 hour. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and transfer my black soap mixture into an applicator bottle so that way I can have easy application on my curls. Here's what the final product is looking like, an amazing blend of black soap and flaxseed gel. So now I'm starting on hair that definitely needs to be washed, and I'm just gonna start by thoroughly saturating my curl strands, and then I'm gonna go ahead and section all of my hair so that way I can have easy application and distribution of my black soap flaxseed shampoo. So now I'm going to start by applying the black soap to my roots, and then I'm going to start massaging it in throughout my roots to make sure that my scalp is thoroughly coated with the black soap shampoo. So as I'm rubbing the shampoo in throughout my hair, the first thing that I'm noticing is that it has such a softening effect on my curls. It's one of the most moisturizing shampoos that I've ever made, and as I'm dragging it along the length of my hair, I'm also noticing that it's really detangling and moisturizing my hair strands. So when I'm done with a section, I just make sure to go ahead and twist it up and get it out of the way. And then I proceed to do the same steps throughout each section. So I apply the black soap shampoo on my scalp and then drag it along the length of my curl strands. So that way every single strand is thoroughly covered with the shampoo. Then I just go ahead and twist up that section. Here is the rest of the application process of the black soap shampoo and what it did to my curls as I was applying it. And if you're interested in the finished results, then feel free to skip forward a bit so that way you can see how it left my curls feeling. Alright, so here's what the shampoo is looking like all applied throughout my curls. My hair's feeling moisturized, and I can't wait to see how it looks when it's finally done. So here's what my hair is looking like when the shampoo is all rinsed out. My curls are super defined and it looks like I just did a really fresh wash and go. So my hair really love this shampoo, and I will be incorporating it into my future wash day routines because my hair is not frizzy at all. It actually got detangled from this shampoo and it looks amazing right now. So if this is a shampoo that you guys would try, let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know how you like my results with this DIY black soap shampoo. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe.